So now in this lecture, I am going to teach you how to overcome tightly coupled programming. Okay. So we are going to achieve this by with the help of loosely coupled programming. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to implement loosely coupled programming. Very, very easy. So now let me discuss about another concept. So example one, we have created Example one, we have created Sachin Tendulkar class and red color shirt class, right? So now example two, we are going to create loosely coupled. So here we have implemented tightly. Most of the people are learning in institute, right? So they will by heart the code tightly coupled, nothing. So now I hope you guys are understood very clear. So loosely coupled programming. So first, in previous lecture, I have written the program to understand tightly coupled. So now in this lecture, I am going to explain loosely coupled programming. Very few minutes I will close the class, guys. So tomorrow we will connect. Okay. So now how we are going to implement loosely coupled programming. So now let's discuss now. So earlier Sachin Tendulkar in tightly coupled programming, Sachin Tendulkar is able to wear only red color shirt always. So if he want to change the color, he has to modify the class. So Sachin Tendulkar always depend on particular color in tightly coupled programming. So now in second example, loosely coupled programming. So here Sachin Tendulkar should have capability to wear blue color shirt, black color shirt, and white color shirt or a red color shirt, any color. Sachin Tendulkar should have capability to wear any kind of color shirt in loosely coupled. So how we are going to achieve? So let me create it now. Spring Boot is having feature called loosely coupled framework. So that is the purpose we are going to learn loosely coupled before going to implement Spring Boot projects. Okay, Spring Boot projects. So now let me write a program to implement loosely coupled. Same example. So what I will do now? Sachin Tendulkar has to wear different types of color shirts without changing the class. We should not modify the class. Without modifying the class, Sachin Tendulkar should have capability to wear any color of shirts, any kind of color shirt. Okay. So Sachin Tendulkar should have flexibility to wear any kind of color shirt. So how we are going to implement? So for that reason, so very simple, guys. This is a simple core Java concept only. So you know the concept, but you don't know how to implement it. That's it. So now we are making use of core Java concepts. So now right click on the package and create one simple interface. Interface nothing but shirt interface, shirt interface. That's it. I have created one shirt interface. So shirt interface will have one abstract method wear. So interface we can contain abstract methods, right? So shirt interface will have one abstract method VR. So this interface is going to implement in red color shirt and blue color shirt. So let's implement here. So implement. So to make you understand, so just implement that. That's it. Implements shirt interface. That's it. So what we have done here, method overriding, guys. You can see method overriding. So we are just implementing the shirt interface. So shirt interface is having wear method. So that wear method we already overridden in subclass. So wear method we are just implemented. All right. So similarly, let's implement blue shirt as well. So blue shirt also implements shirt interface. That's it. So now Sachin Tendulkar class, what we have to do? Let me remove these things are not at all needed now. So now we have to create we have create a shirt interface, right? So let me create property of shirt interface. So Sachin Tendulkar should have capability to wear any type of color shirt. Private shirt interface. I have created property. Simple create the constructor. Right click on the class source and then there is option called generate constructor using fields. Just click on that generate button. So now I haven't clicked on. So let me created. So now this is not needed as of now. So now you can see now I have created shirt Sachin Tendulkar constructor who is having shirt interface argument. So now here we have to call this method shirt.wear. That's it. So now Sachin Tendulkar is will have capability to wear any kind of color shirt without changing the class. Nothing but without changing his body, Sachin Tendulkar can wear any kind of shirt. We no need to touch this class. So this class will have flexibility now. So how this class is having flexibility? Let me show it now. So go to your main application. So here now what I will do, let me create instead of earlier we have created red color shirt. How we can create interface object, guys? So now Sachin Tendulkar object is having a constructor is having movie class object, right? So how we can create movie class object? Whether we can create with the help of subclass, right? Directly also we can pass. This will work. Let me show you same way. So now what he will do, let me I am passing here blue color shirt. As of now let me put it here blue color. So here this one is a red color, right? Just put color as a object. So let Sachin Tendulkar wear blue color shirt. So without changing this class, we no need to change the class to wear Sachin Tendulkar red color or any kind of color. I just what I have done, I just created blue color shirt object and then I just pass it to Sachin Tendulkar argument. So now let me run the Java application. What will happen? So now Sachin Tendulkar can wear blue color shirt. Now Sachin Tendulkar want to wear, he changed his mind. So he want to wear a red color shirt. What he has to do? He don't want to change the body. He don't want to change the body. He just need to remove the shirt from his body. How he can remove? Just comment it out and uncomment it out. Comment it out nothing but removing shirt from Sachin Tendulkar's body and then wearing red color shirt. That's it. Now we haven't changed the Sachin Tendulkar class. We haven't changed Sachin Tendulkar class. So now Sachin Tendulkar is having capability to wear any kind of shirt. So now he can wear red color shirt. So now if you want to wear based on our requirement. So now Sachin Tendulkar want to wear black color shirt also. If he want to wear black color shirt, so let me clear one more class called black color shirt. So same way, same method, we just need to copy paste and or else I will do another way. Some people may have doubts. So here just implement shirt interface. So the moment you implement such shirt interface, you must override the interface method in subclass, right? So just add an implemented method and just that's it. So now what we have to do, just write one SOP statement. Very, very easy, guys. So now Sachin Tendulkar wear black color shirt. That's it. So now go to your main application and just comment it out red color. He want to wear black color shirt now. So we no need to change the Sachin Tendulkar's body. We know what is the intention here. So we no need to change the Sachin Tendulkar body, nothing but we no need to change the Sachin Tendulkar class. Without modifying the class, Sachin Tendulkar can wear any type of color shirt. So let me create a black color shirt. Very simple Java program, guys. You will never forget tightly coupled programming now. So tightly coupled and loosely coupled. Okay, black color shirt. That's it. So now let me run the Java application. Right click and run as Java application. See, Sachin Tendulkar able to wear black color shirt as well. So what is the meaning of that? So without changing the body of Sachin Tendulkar, he is able to change the different types of color shirt and he is able to wear successfully without modifying the class. I never modified the class. This class can run independently, right? So that is the meaning of tightly coupled. What is tightly coupled? The concept of the concept of loosely coupled, nothing but it should run independently. So without modifying the class, it should have flexibility future without modifying it. So Sachin Tendulkar is able to wear black color shirt, he is able to wear blue color shirt, he is able to wear red color shirt without changing his body, nothing but loosely coupled programming. So that's where Spring Boot and Spring came into picture to overcome tightly coupled programming in servlets and JSP programming. So Spring came into picture to overcome tightly coupled. Came into picture to overcome tightly coupled. How it is overcoming with the help of loosely coupled concept. How Spring Framework is loosely coupled because Spring Framework is having different modules. Let me show you here. If you see it here, Spring Framework is having different kinds of module, JDBC module, ORM module, and see you can see data access layer, web layer, and presentation layer. So these kind of these many number of modules Spring is having. So if you want to use Spring Framework, you no need to use all the modules at a time. Whichever you needed, only that module you can use. That is the future is having Spring application. If you want to work with Spring application, you no need to use all the modules which are present in Spring application. Whichever you needed, you can use only that particular module to build your application. That is the main beauty of Spring framework application and Spring Boot application. I will explain you later why Spring Boot came into picture before Spring application. Sorry, after Spring framework. Okay. So now you in this lecture you understood what is loosely coupled programming. So after tomorrow's lecture, I will explain you what is dependency injection and what is application context. Here I can see one more problem. So here see you can do another way also, guys. So instead of creating directly object, how you can instantiate uh, interface object. How we can create interface object by creating uh, subclass of its object. So by shirt color is equal to new black color. So directly you can pass shirt object here. See, this is also will work. Actually, you have to write like this, not like directly creating object. So why? Because see here, Sachin Tendulkar is having which argument? Shirt argument. Here shirt is interface. So we cannot create interface object directly with the help of new operator. So how we can create interface object with the help of subclass? How subclass? So blue class shirt class is implements shirt interface. So how we can create shirt interface with the help of blue color shirt? So uh, you can do, you can create a interface object like this. So this is also will work. Just run as your Java application. See, Sachin Tendulkar can wear black color shirt. If Sachin Tendulkar want to wear blue color, then what he will do? Here you just pass shirt. That's it. So blue color shirt also is having this one. So what you can do here? Just import, control shift to organize the import. That's it. So now if you run this application, what will happen? Sachin Tendulkar can wear blue color shirt. If you want to wear red color, just comment it out and uncomment it out. Just create shirt object with the help of subclass, and then run the Java application, and you can see Sachin Tendulkar is able to wear red color, any type of color without changing his body. Sachin Tendulkar, without changing his body, he can wear his any type of color shirt. So how he is wearing? By removing previous one and by wearing new one. So this is real time example I teach you guys, very simple. Now I hope you guys are understood what is loosely coupled, and in previous lecture you understood what is tightly coupled. Very easy guys. After the lecture you have to practice by in your home by yourself. You take another example, real time example, and you have to practice at your home guys. Okay, so in tomorrow's lecture I will teach you what is dependency injection, why we need a dependency injection. So here we have another problem. I will explain you later tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys, I will catch you tomorrow.